Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on probability, rates and statistics. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with a single correct answer. In this question, we are given that water flows into a 25-liter bucket through a hose and out through a hole in the bottom of the bucket. The rate of flow through the hose is given as 1 liter per minute and the bucket is filled to its capacity in 40 minutes. And we are asked to find out what rate in liters per minute was water flowing out of the bucket through the hole. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I am here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answer is option 1, that is 3 by 8. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answer. So it is given to us that the rate of filling through the hose is equal to 1 liter per minute. Let us call this RH. So RH is equal to 1 liter per minute. Now we know that the rate of filling of the bucket is bucket completes its filling to the capacity in 40 minutes. Hence, the rate of filling, let us call it R, will be equal to 25 by 40 liters per minute, or it is equal to 5 by 8 liter per minute. Now, the hose tries to fill the bucket and the hole present on the bottom of the bucket empties the water through the bucket, and hence the rate of flowing of water outside the hole will be equal to, let us call it RO, is equal to RH minus R, that is 1 minus 5 by 8, which is equal to 3 by 8. Hence option 1 is correct. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.